Oz Irrigation Repair Company is your go-to choice for professional irrigation repair services in Scottsdale, Oz. Our experienced team of experts is dedicated to ensuring your irrigation system operates at its best. From sprinkler repairs to system troubleshooting and maintenance, we deliver efficient and reliable solutions to keep your landscape lush and healthy. Contact our irrigation repair today for consultation. Are you looking for an irrigation repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Oz Irrigation Repair Company. Can you patch irrigation pipe? Simply take out the faulty pipe part and insert a compression fitting. A length of new pipe and 2 compression fittings can fix a large pipe portion. What causes sprinkler failure? 59% of fire sprinkler failures are caused by system shutdown. The facility may be vacant or under construction, or the system may have been shut off to remedy leaks or other emergency issues. What is your irrigation repair area for the Scottsdale, Arizona office? Our local irrigation repair has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Scottsdale, Phoenix, Mesa, Tempe, Carefree, Paradise Valley, Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, Glendale, Gilbert, Chandler, Tortilla Flat, Goodyear, Rio Verde, Surprise, Buckeye, Wittman, Queen Creek, California. Where is your Scottsdale, Arizona irrigation repair services located? We are located at 10632 North Scottsdale Road B431, Scottsdale, Arizona 85254. Our phone number is 480-319-1977. Visit our website, https://arizonairrigationrepair.com/Scottsdale-OZ/.